So now the next example what we'll do now is we want the ID list of IDs from this input. So this is our input, an array of objects where every object has an ID and a name. So I only want list of IDs. So you know this payload is an array. We can do map on this payload map. And if I want an array which only has the IDs, I can do it like this. Item dot ID. So by this, you will get a list of IDs. Okay. But you want an array of objects where ID is a key value pair, then you can do it like this. So this was very simple, but if you want list like object having id colon 1 id colon 2 like that, then we can do it like this, id colon item dot id. So in this way what we are doing, a JSON object we are creating id and we are assigning the item dot id to this one. So when the loop will run for the first time, id colon 1 id colon 2 second time and id colon 3 the third time. So both the ways you can do, depends on how you want only a list or you want id colon like that. Thank you.